What's this? I guess I could do that.
Did you see what that said?
I'm on it.
What does it say?
Can you believe this? Mom thinks she's gonna read after her chores. But what about playtime?
Mom's almost done with her chores. We better think fast.
All right, distract Mommy. I got this.
Mommy, I'm hungry.
Oh, okay.
Mom, we're out of water.
What? Whew, finally.
Mommy, the potty's dirty.
I just sat down, guys.
Now's your chance, Gomez. Do your thing.
Hey, where's the book? Has anyone seen my book?
Not me. No, me neither.
What book? All right, well then, does anyone want to play?
I can't believe our plan worked.
Yeah, I'm a genius. Hey, who put my book in your cat tower?